we're heading off to another car show. We're heading off to the Wings on Wheels in Bacchus Marsh. Now this is the third time I've done this show. It's a beauty. They have an air show, lots of cars, lots of eats, great location. It's going to be a super hot day, so we're actually leaving quite early. I've got Lenny with the VK in the front, Anthony with the VN, the hot VN, and it looks like there's another car up the front. It's a Holden wagon, but they're not with us. I'm in my Corvette, and it should be a good day. So this show normally has a really good variety of vehicles, so it'll be interesting to have a walk around and see what's here. They also have an air show, so Anthony's paying there. So $15 per vehicle, it's not bad. And I've just got the 86 in front of me here. We decided to come early because it's going to be a really hot day, so some guys getting some photos there. I got a photo, I think, with this plane last year with this car. Everybody's got 20 questions. There's a few coffee places. I'm going to grab a, hopefully a bacon egg roll. I'm just looking at this thing. This looks really, really good. It's a 1934 Roadster with a 2011 LS2 6-speed and all the running gear. Pretty schmick. Those seats look really comfortable too. Look at that.
So it won't be long, ladies and gentlemen, and we'll...
It's good. A lot of work on there. It's a couple, yeah. Looks good. Good on you, buddy. First of the planes are just taking off. I'll try and do a bit of a walk around and see what's around. This is a beautiful HT. I like that. I don't know about the Chevrolet badge in the middle. What are they doing? I know it's Chevrolet, but that's a Holden. That's a Chev. Anthony's VN. Lenny's VK. Not 100% sure why 66 is here, but that's okay. All that Ram back there, that's ridiculous. A nice HR. Look at Maury. Forward Ute. I know it's relatively early, but it's also pretty hot, and I think their crowds will be down a little bit because of the weather. A few Fords here. Nice GMC. Look at that. The Judge. It's a nice GTA.
Watch out for the ice cream.
Well, thanks guys.
Yeah, I know.
Fabulous.
Yeah, I was the blind
All right. Little sprint car. It's meant to be in Adelaide doing something with the sprint cars this weekend. LA, that's a nice LA. There's a car already gone from here, got a bit hot for them. Yeah, I just came back to the Variety guys because Variety do a lot of really, really good stuff, and because they're definitely car related, it'd be good to make sure we support these guys. Morning, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. Yeah, it's what the YouTubers use apparently. It's good. We saw a couple of kangaroos coming up here on the land road out of Werribee, and they were massive. One of them possibly was the biggest kangaroo I've ever seen. Not usually that big along there, they're big, but they're all 626s. I did a car show a couple of weeks ago, and they had a fully worked rotary motor, probably a 13B I'm guessing, and it sounded amazing. Would have been quick too, no doubt. Planes in the background, I'll do some planes soon. Sounds an absolute true classic.
So the 150 still working away.
Another VL. This one here was on my video a couple of weeks ago. Sorry guys.
Right down at deck level there. Scooting across the ground.
LS3 Lion 17 on VF.
A lovely little 150 aerobat. They are a
It's a nice little
magnificent
Stingray here.
great basic trainer to learn to fly or do exactly what Jared's doing right now.
Very nice.
And as I say, Jared, one of the most experienced flight instructors going around. Ooh, you heard the little 150 give a little cough then upside performance of aircraft.
Nice little
drop off.
Firebird.
The heat in the air makes the air thinner.
Couple of Stangs.
Therefore, the density is not there to give you maximum lift on the wing. So the aeroplane has to work that little bit harder, and the pilot has to compensate for that.
And he walks straight in front.
Beautiful slow roll over the top there. Picking up
One thing when I'm at a show, I'm always
down
conscious
to the ground.
of other photographers. All colour coded, nice little blower. I think we saw this one at this show a couple of weeks ago as well.
So, Jared, now,
Why that's there, I don't know. We'll bypass that.
and here's the crosswind, you can see it there, crosswind approach. And you'll sit it down on one wheel. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Control there. Lay to the right-hand main. What about a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our first display, the 152.
Old Johnny's leftover parts garage. How good's that? Cortina. These went really hard. They came out with the 200 and the 256, and with the I think this one's a 250. I think this one here's a it's a 250. They went really hard, especially the manuals. I don't know what this one is. This one's auto, but the manuals went really hard. I had friends back in the old days put 351s and stuff in these, and yeah, really went hard. It's a C6, so that's the model after mine. I don't know why the Ram's here. Bypass that.
Headroom? Oh no. Oh, there is. You sit on the ground, mate.
Another Stang. Oh, this is the wagon. It was a HQ. This is the wagon that we followed in from Werribee. Look at that. Two-door. Another wagon, Club Sport. It's another wagon, a Beamer. Another CV8 Monaro, a little older one. And another Holden wagon, which is terrific. Planes, trains and automobiles. So the Lions Club's got this little train bringing people over from the car park, which is handy on a hot day like this. So Lions Club play a big part in today with the bacon egg rolls and the sausage sizzle, which is really good. And of course we've got this little buggy here. We'll go over here. There's a plane up there doing its thing. Nice looking bike. Oh, g'day. How you going?
I bought my jerseys over there.
Oh, it's one of yours. Nice. Aha. Everyone's trying to get a bit of shades of Tirana. Just saw Anthony from our full drive club. There's a Benz. Not really at a collectible level yet, but anyway. Mustang. Look at the roller, gold roller. Wonder if that was Dr. Pearson's, my old doctor. A long time ago he delivered me. He had a gold roller like that. Ford. Not sure why. And we're back to the Roadster. So I've covered all the cars that are currently here. So what we'll do now, we might roll across and do some planes. That's where I got my coffee from before. I might get rid of my cup. At a show we always have our collectibles with their signs and models. We've actually got that model there, the Monaro. Got some stubby holders. Always good to have these sort of things because everyone's building up their man caves and wants signs, and I'm always keeping an eye out for different stuff. Very cool. Over the back here, got a couple of planes you can actually have a look at. Got the hangars open. Little Cessna Skylark. This one here looks like an acrobatic plane. Very white. Looks like he's getting ready to go for a spin. Can we have a clear pop? Got a few more little planes over here. So lots of the guys from the club have got their hangars open for people to have a squiz. So this is a model aircraft club, so They've got their hangar open for people to have a look, and they've got their model planes. Very, very cool. All over the wall is planes. And some not so model aircraft. Can I have a clear prop? He'll get walked out and he'll be one of the displays in a couple of minutes. Very sleek looking plane, I don't know what it is. Gourmet calamari. Spuds with a twist. Got a bit of everything here, more coffee.
Supercharged,
A few new cars here.
radial engine. And the Harvard is what they're known. They were an American trainer. Texan was the other name that they were known as well. But the Harvard, World War II military trainer, retractable undercarriage, and the but they certainly the aircraft that was converted into farming world of aerial agriculture.
Alright, well we're done and dusted. I've got the roof off, which is kind of nice, but it is really hot. We decided to pull the pin a bit early. It's thinning out anyway. Sadly the weather's against these guys. The air show's been fantastic. We've sat there watching the air show, but the sun's burning. So we're going to head out of here. Thanks a lot for the Lions Club and all the people who put this together. It's always a good gig. Wheels, wings and coffee here at Bacchus Marsh. This is Trev. We're heading out. Like I always say, if you like our stuff, please like and subscribe.